Hello, good morning to all. So, today we start a new tissue. In the previous lecture, we had discussed the epithelial tissue and the different types of epithelial tissue. Today, we start the connective tissue. Okay. Now, according to its name, connective tissue means they connect the two different tissue, they connect the two different organs, which helpful in transportation, which helpful in storage of material, which helpful to strength of body. So they have the different functions. Okay, so connective tissues are they have the different types, and they are connective, means they have the different tissues and all. So the connective tissue is of three type, the main three type. The first one is loose connective tissue. The second one is dense. So according to their name, dense connective tissue. And the last one is specialized connective tissue or fluid connective tissue. You can say fluid connective tissue. So, in the connective tissue, mostly you can observe the different fibers are present in connective tissue, except specialized connective tissue. In the specialized connective tissue, there is no fibers. Okay, उनके अंदर कोई fibers नहीं है. But generally, in the connective tissue, there are the materials or matrix. Second thing, they have the fibers, proteinous fibers. So generally, in the connective tissue, there are the two type of fibers. Okay, so first of all, what the examples of connective tissue, and you all are aware of with the connective tissues like areolar tissue, which is the connection, or which is give the support to your body, which is present beneath the skin. So areolar tissue, then adipose tissue, then bones, then cartilage, then ligaments, tendons, then blood. Okay, so these all are the connective tissues. Okay, so the first loose connective tissue is of two type. So if you make a chart, so you can understand easily. Okay, so first the loose connective tissue. Loose connective tissue is of two type. First is the areolar tissue, and second is the adipose tissue. So areolar tissue and adipose tissue, there are the two type of tissue. Now हम पहले जनरलाइज बात करते हैं. सो द जनरल इज कि इफ यू सी जनरल कनेक्टिव टिश्यू, दे आर द टू टाइप ऑफ फाइबर्स. द फर्स्ट इज येलो फाइबर and second one is white fiber. So there are two type of fibers first of all. Now the yellow fibers is called elastin protein, or they are made up of elastin protein and they are stretchable. Yellow fibers are stretchable and they are made up of elastin protein. Okay, then white fibers are made up of collagen protein. Okay, and they are strong but not as much stretchable as yellow fibers. Okay, they are strong and somewhat stretchable, little stretchable, but not compared to the yellow fibers. वो इतने stretchable नहीं है. Okay, so yellow fibers and white fibers. Now the cell who create this fiber, it's called fibroblast. Means if the fibers are present in connective tissue, then fibroblasts are there. Okay, so if you see there are the yellow fibers or there are the white fibers, means fibroblasts are already there present. Okay, so जब fibroblasts होंगे, then they make the fibers. Okay, so the white fibers and yellow fibers. Okay, second thing कि In the loose and dense connective tissue, they are specialized tissue. Why? Because there are some matrix or there are some fluid which is the main component of this tissue, and this fluid or this material or this liquid is secreted by its own cell. Except the special connective tissue or specialized connective tissue, except वो exception है. Why? Because the cells which is present in fluid connective tissue, they don't secrete any secretion of their matrix or of their plasma. Means you all know that fluid connective tissue is blood. Blood is the fluid connective tissue. ये आप सबको मालूम है. Okay, so blood component जो भी है वो ब्लड सेल्स सिक्रीट नहीं करते, एक्सेप्ट डेंस कनेक्टिव टिश्यू एंड लूज कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. बोथ के अंदर जो भी सेल्स हैं दे सिक्रीट देयर फ्लूइड. ओके, फॉर एन एग्जांपल देयर इज द कार्टिलेजिनस टिश्यू. सो कार्टिलेज जो फ्लूइड है विच इज सिक्रेटेड बाय कॉन्ड्रोब्लास्ट ऑफ द सेल, द सेल्स ऑफ कार्टिलेजिनस टिश्यू. सो जो मटेरियल आपको कनेक्टिव टिश्यू के अंदर मिलेगा वो मटेरियल उनके ही सेल्स से सीक्रेट हुआ है. ओके, सो दिस इज द जनरल आइडिया ऑफ कनेक्टिव टिश्यू एंड दे हैव द टू फाइबर्स, येलो फाइबर्स एंड व्हाइट फाइबर्स. एंड द सेल्स हु सीक्रेट और हु सिंथेसाइज दिस फाइबर, सीक्रेट तो नहीं, सिंथेसाइज दिस फाइबर, इट्स कॉल्ड फाइब्रोब्लास्ट. ओके, नाउ वी स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट areolar tissue. Okay, now the areolar tissue is made up of different cells and fluid and fibers. Okay, first of all beneath your body wall and जो आपकी बॉडी वॉल के नीचे या स्किन के नीचे जो भी ऑर्गन्स हैं, जो आपके विजुअल ऑर्गन्स हैं, उन सबको कनेक्ट करने का काम करते हैं ये एरियोलर टिश्यू. ओके, जो बॉडी वॉल और डाइजेस्टिव वॉल के बीच में या स्किन के नीचे जो भी है वो सब एरियोलर टिश्यू है. उसके अंदर देयर आर द डिफरेंट सेल्स आर प्रेजेंट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देयर आर द टू फाइबर्स, येलो फाइबर्स which is made up of elastin, white fibers are there, then fibroblasts are there, then mast cells are present, then phagocytes, then fibroblast. These all cells are present in the areolar tissue. Okay, so mast cells are there, then phagocytes are there, then fibroblasts are there. So there are the different cells are there and their secretions also. For an example, the mast cell which gives the immune response from the foreign particle or foreign antigen, जो आपको इम्यून रिस्पॉन्स देता है. मास्ट सेल सीक्रेट द हिस्टेमाइन विच इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर योर स्वॉलन ऑर्गन. आपको ऑर्गन में अगर स्वॉलन हो जाती है सो इट इज ड्यू टू द सिक्रेशन ऑफ हिस्टेमाइन. हिस्टेमाइन के सिक्रेशन से मास्ट सेल वो आपको बॉडी ऑर्गन है वो स्वॉलन हो जाता है. ओके, सो हिस्टेमाइन इज देयर, सो हिस्टेमाइन सीक्रेट करते हैं. देन फैगोसाइट्स हैं, दे आर दी किलर सेल्स, वो एंटीजन या कोई ऐसे टॉक्सिक मटेरियल उनको किल कर देते हैं. Then fibroblast हैं. Okay, then other cells are there who secrete the heparin which is anticoagulant. Then histamine, heparin, serotonin, these are the secretion which is secreted by areolar tissue. Okay, next loose connective tissue में the second is adipose tissue. Now you all know adipose tissue क्या करता है? It is the storage part who store your fat or excessive body fat. Means it is present beneath your skin and it store the fat and it is reservoir of energy. Okay, it is the reservoir of energy because it store the fat. Okay, जब आपको फैट की जरूरत होगी और एक्सेसिव फैट जब बॉडी में होगा तो वो स्किन के नीचे एडिपोज टिश्यू में स्टोर होगा, और जब आपको उसकी एनर्जी में चाहिए तो वो उसको मेटाबॉलिज्म उसका होगा एंड देन उसकी एनर्जी रिलीज होगी और वो एक एनर्जी रिजर्वर जैसे काम करता है एडिपोज टिश्यू. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दी लूज कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. नाउ वी मूव टूवर्ड्स दी डेंस connective tissue. Dense according to its name because it is very compact. It is very compact tissue. So dense connective tissue. It's in the dense connective tissue there is the fluid and which is compact, then there is the cells, then there is the fibers are there. So it is compact tissue and dense according to their names, dense connective tissue. So bones, cartilage, tendons and ligaments, these all are the dense connective tissue. Now dense connective tissue is of two type: regular dense connective and irregular dense connective. So dense connective tissue is of two type: regular dense connective tissue and irregular dense connective tissue. Regular dense connective tissue and irregular dense connective tissue. Second thing, regular dense connective tissue, why it is called regular? Because there is the presence of fibers and fibers are arranged in a particular manner or a bunch like structure. सारे जो fibers है वो bunch like structure में एक regular form में arrange है, that's why it's called regular. And here it is no specific arrangement of fibers, that's why it's called irregular. So in the regular dense connective tissue there is the two things. The first one is ligament and second one is tendon. Now you all are aware with the ligaments and tendons, where it is present in your joints. ओके जितने भी आपके बॉडी जॉइंट्स हैं जो बोन्स एंड मसल्स के साथ कनेक्टेड है वो सब लिगामेंट्स एंड टेंडन्स हैं. नाउ टेंडन्स आर समवॉट स्ट्रेचेबल. व्हाई? बिकॉज टेंडन्स है वो कनेक्ट करते हैं स्केलेटन मसल्स एंड स्केलेटन को, मीन्स वो बोन एंड मसल्स को कनेक्ट करते हैं टेंडन्स, जो आपकी जो भी मूवमेंट है आपकी वॉलंटरी मूवमेंट है उनको ईजी बनाता है एंड स्ट्रेचेबल है. सो येलो फाइबर्स आर more number in presence in the tendon. Tendon के अंदर वो more number में present होता है. So tendons are there. Okay. Second thing, ligaments are there. Now what is the function of ligament? Ligament connect the two different bonds. वो दो अलग अलग bonds को एक दूसरे के साथ connect करते हैं for the easy movement. आपके बॉडी के जितने भी जॉइंट्स हैं उन जॉइंट्स के मूवमेंट को इजी करने के लिए और वो मूवमेंट करने के लिए रदर एक बॉन्ड दूसरे बॉन्ड पर जो मूव होता है इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ लिगामेंट. सो लिगामेंट के अंदर जनरली कोलाजन फाइबर्स होते हैं. ओके, सो विच इज वाइट फाइबर्स विच गिव्स द स्ट्रेंथ टू योर मूवमेंट. आपकी मूवमेंट को स्ट्रेंथ देते हैं, आपके लेग्स को या फिर आपके हैंड्स को या जो भी मूवमेंट हो रही है ऑफ योर अपेंडेजेस उनको स्ट्रेंथ देते हैं. सो लिगामेंट्स आर प्रेजेंट विथ योर बोन्स एंड मसल्स. मीन्स दो बोन्स के बीच है, दैट्स व्हाई दे आर प्रेजेंट इन योर जॉइंट्स. देन टेंडन्स जो मसल्स एंड बोन्स को कनेक्ट करते हैं. ओके, सो दीज आर दी रेगुलर dense connective tissue. Now next one is irregular dense connective, cartilaginous and bones. First of all, cartilaginous, complete cartilaginous tissue जिसके अंदर फाइबर्स भी है और फाइबर के बिना भी है कार्टिलेजिनस टिश्यू. सो कार्टिलेजिनस टिश्यू 4 टाइप की होती है. एक होती है हाईलाइन कार्टिलेज, देन येलो कार्टिलेज, देन व्हाइट येलो इलास्टिक कार्टिलेज, देन व्हाइट कार्टिलेज, देन calcified cartilage. There are 4 type of cartilage, but which is not given in your textbook. But there are 4 type of cartilaginous tissue. Okay, now the first one is irregular dense connective, जिसमें first है cartilaginous. So cartilaginous fluid is made up of chondroblast, the main cell of cartilaginous tissue. Okay, so cartilaginous tissue में the main cells or chief cells are chondroblast. Chondroblasts secrete the fluid called cartilage, and there are the fibers are also present. Sometimes the fibers are not present. So the cartilaginous tissue, which is soft, which is somewhat soft but hard. Soft or hard combination थोड़ा है, but it is stretchable. Okay, like your external pinna, your external ears, your nose tip. Okay, then your epiglottis. Okay, then hyoid bone. These all are made up of cartilaginous tissue. Okay, second thing, कि bonds के बीच में there is the between the two bonds and your joints के बीच में there is the synovial fluid is there, synovial space is there, वहाँ पे भी cartilaginous tissue है जो friction को कम करते हैं, जो friction को कम करता है. So there is the cartilaginous tissue, okay, and the cartilaginous is made up of chondroblast, okay. Then cartilaginous tissue के बाद है ossified or bones, okay. Bones is the bones are made up of osteoblast. वो secrete करते हैं, they have the collagen fibers and osteoblast cell. Osteoblast cell secrete करते हैं bones के जो material है. Second thing, bones are hollow. Bones are hollow. उसके बीच में material है जिसको बोलते हैं bone marrow, okay, which is the place where the RBCs and WBCs are originate from. So these are the this is all about the bones or osteoblast. So osteoblasts secrete the calcium and phosphate salt and they accumulate on the bones, and there is the fibers are also present. The bones gives your body posture and gesture properly. You can stand properly because of bones. Your movements are जो भी मूवमेंट आपकी बॉडी की होती है वो बोन्स की वजह से होते हैं. बोन्स आपके बॉडी को स्ट्रेट रखते हैं, शेप देते हैं, एंड दे क्रिएट ऑल योर मूवमेंट्स, ओके. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द बोन्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज फ्लूइड कनेक्टिव टिश्यू, मीन्स अ स्पेशलाइज्ड कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. नाउ स्पेशलाइज्ड कनेक्टिव टिश्यू इज मेड अप ऑफ टू थिंग्स, मीन्स ब्लड. Blood made up of two things, blood plasma and blood platelets or cells, okay. So blood cells and blood plasma. So blood plasma is made up of protein and nutrient materials. Then 85% तो water है उसमें प्लाज्मा में. Then protein है, amino acids हैं, glucose हैं, then enzymes and hormones and all are present in the blood plasma. And blood cells, there are three types of blood cells: RBC, red blood corpuscles, white blood cells or white blood corpuscles, and blood platelets. Three types. So blood के बारे में आप in the chapter maybe 18th के अंदर you will go to the detail in the blood, okay. So यहाँ पे सिर्फ introduction है, so आपको यहाँ तक रखना है. फिर भी मैं बता सकता हूँ कि RBC is responsible for the transportation of gas, CO2 and O2. Second thing, WBCs are the immune system of, they create an immune system of your body, and platelets are responsible for the blood clotting, okay. So आपका अगर आपको कहीं पे wound लगा है तो blood will clot. So these are the functions of blood cells, okay. So specialized connective tissue, blood, then dense connective tissue, bones, ligaments and cartilage and tendons, and loose connective tissue कि जिसके अंदर है adipose tissue and areolar tissue, okay. So यहाँ तक रखता हूँ. This is all about connective tissue. In the next lecture we move to the third tissue called muscles tissue or muscular tissue, okay. So यहाँ तक रखता हूँ. Bye.